Alrighty guys, today we're in a garage none of you have ever seen. This is a 4 single car garage. We got a LiftMaster 8365, and we got a 2220, I'm not sure. Yep, 2220. Then we got a 3280, I think, and then an 8355. Just an 8355, the one that doesn't have the Wi-Fi. Oh wait, no, it does have the Wi-Fi. I didn't think it did. We'll run these, start off left to right. Ooh, and it's got the low headroom, I discovered. It's very quiet. It's very quiet. Bringing that back down. Alright, we'll run this one. Here's the button. That one buzzes a bit. Oh, wait. I think it's buzzing. Yeah, I think it's the motor. And of course, low headroom. And these are, hope these get replaced. The light bulbs are burnt out on this one. Alright, we'll run this. That one's very loud. I think it's the screws. I think it's the rail that makes the noise. Yeah, it's the rail. Yuri, watch out. Watch out, Yuri. Watch out. Go, go. Shoot, shoot. Alright. Nope, Jesse, no. Oh, there's your sensor check. Alright, we'll run that down. And the light blink. That's pretty loud. Super loud. Super loud that thing is. Wait. Let me hold the button. Something's wrong with the sensors. Let me hold the button. So that's what usually gets it to close. Maybe 365. That one buzzes a lot. That buzzes quite a bit. It's pretty quiet. Pretty quiet though. Alright, we'll turn the light off. And we'll turn the light off for the 355. Yeah. Pretty nice. Almost. Yeah, those are pretty nice doors. Alright, peace out.